This is how to factory reset your Wiko Life 3. Let's get started. With the phone powered off, we're going to hold power and volume up at the same time. It's going to take a few seconds, maybe 5 seconds, and then the white menu is going to pop up in the center of the screen. Keep holding, and there it is, let go right away. Now with the volume keys, we're going to use volume up to select recovery mode. Then we're going to use volume down for OK. And it's going to take a few more seconds for the fallen Android to show up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Now we're going to hold power and then touch volume up. Power, touch volume up. And it brings up the Android recovery menu. Now with the volume buttons, we're going to scroll to wipe data factory reset. OK with power. And then confirm factory data reset. OK with power. And then down here we can see that the data wipe is now complete and we can reboot our system. And that is how you factory reset, hard reset your Wiko Life 3. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.